I'll show you how to count the cells in a list that contain text. Now, it's really easy to count cells that contain numbers or cells that are non-empty, but to count the ones that contain text is a little bit more involved. However, it's not too hard. So, I have a sample list here with text and numbers, nothing special, but it'll help you understand how to do it. The two functions we're going to use are the count and the counter function. Now, the count function counts numbers, and the counter function is going to count all non-empty cells. Let's go ahead and write out the formula. We're going to begin with equals counter, open parentheses, select the range, close parentheses, and subtract the count function, then select the range again and close the parentheses. So, what we have here is the counter function. It's going to count every non-empty cell in the list, so we'll get 9. The count function is going to count all the cells that have numbers in them, so 4. We're going to subtract 9 minus 4, which is 5. That's pretty much how you can do it, and you can see that the cells containing text are 5. This is the formula written out right here, counter, range, count, range. That's how you can count cells that contain only text.